Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quick and simple easy way how to make ladders in 7 Days to Die. This is going to be especially useful if you want to make a tower and don't have enough room to make stairs, or just want to go to search bigger buildings and you don't want to waste any blocks. So to begin, first of all we'll need to have the classic building block, which can be made from 2 pieces of wood, which you can get by cutting down trees or punching these bushes. And once you've gathered some of these blocks, hold down the R key whilst holding the block in hand and go to the shape menu by aiming at it with your mouse and stop holding down the R key. Once you're here in the basics shape menu, here on the last 3 sections, you'll see that here are some ladders and you can just pick which one you prefer. Oh, let's say the ladder square, and then just by clicking on it and going out of the menu, you can use the shape, the ladder like this, and place it down like a block. And also then you can upgrade it using a nail gun or a stone axe to some higher grade like the wooden block by using some wood, just like this. And it is going to make it a lot stronger compared to the building block. And then you can just use it just like a normal ladder. So this is pretty much all how to get ladders in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.